Hi, fourth graders. Today we're going to look at a vocabulary strategy with two prefixes, non and miss. What miss means is bad, badly, incorrect, wrongly, failure, or lack of. So if you look right here at this example, Alyssa misunderstood the map's directions. That means that she failed to understand the directions, or she wrongly understood the directions. So here's another example where we're looking at how it means wrong. So if you take the word behave and add misbehave means wrong behavior. Place, if you misplace something, means you wrongly placed it. That's why misplace means you can't find something. Misread means you wrongly read it, or you incorrectly read it. Now we're going to look at that prefix non. So you've got the word sense, and now it's nonsense. Or another example is fat. So if you think of something that has no fat in it, it means it's non-fat. So think of non, it's very similar. I like to think of it as not. So if you look at human, non-human. If you are a believer, some people don't believe in certain things. A non-believer means they don't believe in it, or they are not a believer. If something has dairy in it, and it's non-dairy, that means there's no dairy, or it's not dairy. So to review, non, think of like not. And then miss is like bad, badly, incorrect, wrongly, failure, or lack of.